Renewable electricity generation is driving the energy transition at a rapid pace. But the sun and the wind cannot be turned on and off at will. Now it's all about striking a balance between the volatile power generation and the growing demand. The expansion of physical grid and storage capacities, as well as digitalization and flexibilization, are crucial. In addition, we need to operate PV installations, charging stations and heat pumps smartly to provide the grid with the so much needed flexibility. Empower Europe, the international exhibition for energy management and integrated energy solutions, presents smart solutions for addressing the challenges of a renewable 24/7 energy supply.
The major trends that we're seeing here at Smarter E is just how fast the electricity system is evolving and how much it is decentralizing. Decentralized generation, electric cars, heat pumps, all playing together in a completely new way. And as system operators, we need to handle and master that new reality in order for us to succeed with the energy transition.
With the massive uptake of renewables and the electrification of transport, industries and households, flexibility demands at least double by 2030, and the system simply cannot cope with that with a flexible demand. And flexible demand industry, this is not a futuristic scenario. If you look around at EM Power, you already see the companies that can provide solutions to this issue.
It's our first time on the EM Power, and yeah, it's cool. It's really interesting.
And with all the other exhibitors, it's something that grows.
We have several customers from all over the world. That makes it really special, and it's a really intensive 3 days that makes it so successful.
It's exactly the people, because they run with a smile on their face, they say, hey, hello, how are you? And you learn so much of their application, of their needs. And this helps us to make our products better, but also to sell. And that's why we are here, step by.